just going to take a walk on the Grand Canyon. Sounds good to me. Oh, just a bit close. Let's just go and look at the Grand Canyon. Oh my God, what's that green thing down there? I mean it. What is it? Let's go check. Let's just fly down. Oh my God. It's a pig. It's a pig. What the hell? Please don't kill me, Birch. I am dropped off the Grand Canyon. I broke my bones. I'm gonna die. What the hell? No sympathy for you. I'm just gonna kill you more. And that's the end of the Pig's Grand Canyon walk. Thank you for listening. And P.S. that was Linda G.Create72. Thanks for watching.